The handbrake is on. It's just seized closed, but see it? Come on, come on, come on, there we go. And it is, I did show you, just that wire. You just want to spray that. Now it never used to, even when I bought the car, it never used to do that. It used to it used to go up but no sound. Now literally it's flying up. Push down, it's making boom. Compared to what it was before.
End of the production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to fix your handbrake if it's seizing like mine. Okay, so my handbrake, it works. Everything works. It's just when I release it, it doesn't release properly. Okay, watch this. So to release the handbrake, you pull this and then that should come all the way up. Okay, but watch what happens to that when I pull it. Okay, the handbrake is on. It's just seized closed, but see it? Come on, come on, come on, there we go. Okie dokie. So if it's doing this now, in summer, I bought this car in summer. In summer it's not an issue. Okay, all it is you have to put some WD-40 on the wire that engages this and this. It could be one of two things. I know it's going to be the wire over here, but this might also play a factor into it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray this with WD-40. I know this works. Okay, it's not that, it's over there, but it's better just to spray both of them. Okay, so now I'll show you what you need to do. So over here, pull out the bottom of this, right, and get your hand in there. It's just held in with clips. Okay, you can see in there, I'll show you. Click that off like this, right? I'll just take this whole thing off. Okay, take that off. And then in there, you can see that wire. Could be that, I know it's not, but just lube that up, spray some WD-40 on that one, okay? So you sprayed up, yeah? Right, so now you want to remove this, okay? Because we want to get into the spring up there. And it's going to be one screw there. You see it there? 1, 2, and 3, okay? So as you get the last one, it'll start coming off, right? Pull that down. Now it's going to be stuck on this side, okay, over here. I'll try to do this one hand. You don't even need to take this off. Leave that on just like that. You see it there? Okay. You see that spring there? Spring is working. So when I'm going to pull this now, all I'm going to do is pull this, okay, and you'll see that spring moving, okay? So, let me get it there, and I'm going to pull it. You see it? So we know the spring is moving, okay? Now, I'm just going to push this handbrake. Now that's the wire, that one there. This will move. Release it. This is the one that needs WD-40. Come on. You see it's like pausing. This wire right there. Okay. Try doing this on camera. Okie dokie. All the way now. Okay, let me spray it. So your car will smell of WD-40. I sprayed that there. You see it? Oh no, it's dripping onto the carpet. So all I'm doing now, I've just been doing it back and forth, right? Spray. Release that. That's that. get it all lubed up. Yeah, buddy. Oh, you can see it paused a little bit just then. Oh. It's pausing. I'm going to keep on doing it more, just so that whole wire has got loads of lube in it. Okay, so I have been going at it. I'm sure I have moved that over 100 times, okay? Back and forth, back and forth. And it is, I did show you just that wire. You just want to spray that, move it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, move it again, spray it again, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But now, I'll just push that down, because just bear in mind that it will have, WD-40 will fall. Also, you don't even need to take this out. I thought you had to take this whole thing off. You don't even need to, okay? All you do, unloosen it, you'll see it there, spray it up. Now, remember what it was before? Now watch it, okay? Watch how it is now. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You see it? It's flying back up. So, the thing is, that was my problem. But say, for instance, you release it, but you're still getting the ding, 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 right? Then your problem is not there. Your problem is going to be at the back, okay? Your handbrake is probably seized, or your handbrake needs replacing. For me, the handbrake would release. It's just the lever would not release, okay? So hope this helped. I'm going to put this camera away now because no camera is waterproof. Put all this back together, and I hope this helped, okay? So everything's back together. And all I've been doing is, even though it's all working and everything, I've carried on doing it, pushing it in, pulling it, pushing it in, pulling it, because obviously the wire is going to have lube on it, okay? But now, it's making a dump. So, it never used to do this. Watch how it... Look at that, it's making a... Now it never used to, even when I bought the car, it never used to do that. It used to it used to go up but no sound. Now literally it's flying up. Push down. It's making doof. Compared to what it was before when it was like a snail. I mean, I'd hold it down. Nothing, 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 and then eventually it'll come up. But now look at that. It's literally flying up. Look at that. Such an easy fix. Beautiful. I shall see you in the next one. Also put your seat all the way back. I noticed that when I was putting it back together. So you joke.